Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this question. We have to solve for x in this case. So we have 3 exponent 2x minus 1 and it's equal to 1 on 9 or exponent x. So from here, this 9 we can write it as 3 exponent 2. Okay, so our equation now becomes 3 exponent 2x minus 1, which is equal to, so 1 on 3 exponent 2 or exponent x, like this. Okay, so now we have 3 exponent 2x minus 1 equal to, and then we know that 1 over a is the same as a exponent negative 1. So from here, we can rewrite it as 3 exponent negative 2, okay, into bracket x, which is the same as 3 exponent 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 exponent negative 2x. Okay, now in algebra, when the bases are the same, we equate the exponent. So we are going to get 2x minus 1 is equal to negative 2x. So we group like terms, we are going to get 2x plus 2x is equal to 1. So 2x plus 2x, we are getting 4x here, which is equal to 1. So we divide both sides by 4. 4 cancels 4, so x is equal to 1 and 4. So this is our final answer for this expression. Thank you for watching. Bye.